What's up, YouTube? Local paper. Oh yeah, jumbo hippie coffee. Test riding the new jacket today. We call it the pattern, the Fairview tartan Spryfield tuxedo or thin dinner shirt. I'm not smoking any amphora today. I'm smoking plum pudding. Eric Stock would be 4th generation. Need an English fix. Couldn't wait to get that amphora, so I've been smoked about 3 bowls, I think, 2 bowls. And where I don't get to smoke a lot of pipes this time of year because of the weather. Well, -5 today, it's a little windy. So I figured I'd take this jacket for a test run, see how well it works. I washed it yesterday, but I bought it brand new. I washed it yesterday, but I'll wash it again today after I smoke. So, I think my Zippo needs a little bit of service. That side's pretty gross. Where's the camera at? Zoom in. It's not lighting very well. It's not too bad there, but I have to keep it absolutely full of fluid, where before I didn't. Now the wick is black. The wick's really black on it, and it is getting gummed up. I kind of gave the wick a little tug, and I don't know if I should have, but and when I put the fluid in it, I gotta have it so it's so saturated at all, you can see it like it's saturated. It's like oversaturated. I never used to do that. I used to put the fluid in and that'd be it. What I mean by oversaturated, it's filled right up and you can see the fluid kind of leaking a bit over the top. So I think the wick is just like really dirty. I'll take a little bit of lighter fluid in the toothbrush and scrub the outside, and then, I don't know, you can kind of take the cap off a bit, and I don't want to fuck with it too much. I love my Zippo pipe lighter. Doesn't change the flavor. I don't know if you can taste the Zippo fluid when you light your pipe. Maybe you should be like using that super defined palate to taste expensive wines, you know, or something like that, because you may have some sort of skill or talent or ability. Coffee. I missed the flea market this morning. I slept in. I don't know what time it is. It's probably, I don't know, 9:30. 9:30. Just got out of the shower. Trying to clean up that nasty ring rash I got. My rings are so big that my fingers sweat and the moisture gets underneath from like washing your hands or something if your hands aren't dry. There's no air in there, and then you get ring rash. It's itchy. Let's see. Got to figure out how, so it's -5, and I've got all these different jackets I wear. Around -5, I got a leather jacket, a thick leather jacket. It's a biker jacket, the long sleeves. So when you're standing, the sleeves are down to here, but when you're on a bike with your arms out, they're perfect length. And it's thick, heavy leather, and that works pretty good, but it only goes to my waist. Then I got my surplus coat that's made for the Arctic tundra, and it goes down to my knees, kind of, but that's too warm. Then I got a leather shirt, which is good above 0. But I wanted something between 0 and -5. Plus it's got a hood. And it goes to my waist though. Plus this would be good for an underlayer. Anyway. I had to delete a troller yesterday. It's funny. I'll usually let the trolls, people that leave negative comments on your videos and stuff like that. We all get them, and I play with them a lot, right? It's just, they want a response. That's what they're trying to do. I just fucking ignore them, right? I usually kids. What names like, I don't know, stupid names. But anyway, I always, oh, I hate your videos, you suck, I wish you die, and I'll always reply as if I didn't read it and go, oh, well, thanks, I'm glad you enjoyed my video. I've got lots more out there for you to watch. I could recommend a few that I'm sure you'd enjoy. Have a great day and stuff like this. That really pisses them off. But I got a bunch yesterday. The same guy spamming me, so I just reported him and deleted it. It really happened a couple times, but I play with them for a bit first. I don't mind negative comments or disagreements, and a good debate and whatever. That's fine, but I'm some fucking kid. Everybody hides behind the internet, right? Anonymity. You gotta be careful. There's a lot of crazy people out there on the internet, man. For all you know, I could be a crazy fucking serial killer or something. You wouldn't know. I'm not a fucking serial killer. Crazy. Certifiable. Certifiable crazy as in I could probably go out and do something, and if I ended up going to court, I could probably get off on it for medical craziness reasons. I've said that to people too, all worked up, and I'll fucking punch you in the throat. There ain't no judge that can convict me because I'm fucking nuts. And I'll chase you. Plum pudding, it's good stuff. I love smoking. As much as I hate winter, I do enjoy smoking a pipe in the cool air. It's the wind, man. You know, there's just that little tiny hint of a breeze is what pisses me off, and there's a little bit of that breeze right now, so my nose is running. You can feel it. But you know, I got the sun shining in my face. Toes are cold though, but I got insulated fucking work boots on and wool socks, real wool socks. But steel toe boots. I'm gonna ramble about fucking shit. I've been rambling now for 10 minutes about nothing. But yeah, my Zippo. I figure I get a video in when I can, but oh yeah, don't buy Zippo fuel. Buy Rosinol. You get more and it's cheaper. I don't know if you guys can get that wherever you live. Oh, yeah, the same stuff. But yeah, my Zippo isn't really working too well. She's pretty tired up. It has to be filled with fluid in order for it to work now. Like I just filled that up and you can see the fluid like right to the top almost when I filled it up. And I might get 3 pipes out of it before I got to do it again, and I've never had to do that before. It's just the last few weeks. Yeah, this jacket might work -5. Wouldn't want to go. I wouldn't want to go too much below -5 with this jacket. Maybe if there's no wind. Yeah. As much as I was, you know, as satisfied as I was and happy to get that M4, and I was just dying to try it, and as much as I really wanted to smoke it, I still was craving my English. Unicorn Piper was teasing me on Voxer. Busted my balls about, oh, it'll be a matter of time before you start complaining about it. It's funny. Good, healthy banter. I always enjoy, you know, like busting balls and shit. It's all in good fun. David, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in New Brunswick, he's good for that. We go back and forth and, you know, give each other a hard time. That's what men do. That's how we show each other we care. We make fun of each other. Very insulting. I can't repeat most of it because it's pretty vulgar. I'll be glad when winter's over. Deer tracks in the yard. Had some old rotten apples in the fridge I was gonna hang out for the deer, but I'd have to go out and run through the snow, hang from a tree, 'cause I wouldn't want the fucking rats. I can't leave shit out here because of rats. I get rats around. Fucking porcupine, not porcupines, raccoons. Crazy fucking raccoons. Pure evil. Yes, sir. Big bowl isn't going to take me a while. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See ya.